In this video, I want to talk about how you can effectively use multi-window and multitasking on this tablet, and also how it compares with a Samsung tablet. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how you can actually launch multi-window on this tablet, because there are several ways that you can do it. So if you go in settings and then go in accessibility and convenience, and here go in split view, you will see that there are actually several different ways that you can enter into multi-window. Now, you can go through them on your own, but I'm going to show you few that are really effective and quick. The first and the easiest way is that if you have an app open, you can swipe down middle of the display with 2 fingers and it will launch split view. You have one app on left side and then you can launch second app on the right side. Your other option is, if you have an app open, just swipe up from the bottom of the display, the taskbar appears, and from here you can grab one app and then move it to the right or to the left, and the app will launch into split view automatically. Another very easy way is that if you have an app open, you can swipe in from the sidebar and select an app and just bring it to the main screen and leave it, and you will enter into split view again. So once you have these apps open side by side, what you can do is you can resize them, and you can do this in any configuration, but there's a limit to how narrow you can make one app. So it will move back to this one, but beyond that you can make it any size. Now if you tap on this bar in the middle, you can also swap sides, and you will notice another feature here, which is save as app group. So if you tap on it, it will save these two apps as an app group on your home screen. So you can always launch these two apps side by side pretty quickly. And if you go in the recents menu, you will also see these two apps in the recents menu. And if you go back to the home screen, you will also see this app pair in the recents app in your taskbar. Now, another main question is, I can open two apps side by side, but can I open the third one? So if you have these two apps open side by side, you can resize them, but can we open a third app where we have three apps open in this vertical view? Well, the answer is no, you cannot open three apps like that, but you can do something else. So if you swipe up to bring up the taskbar, you can actually bring up a third app in the middle of these two apps, and you will see this floating window option appear. And then if you leave it, it will launch this third app as a floating window. So now you have two apps in the background and you have this third app as a floating window open. So you can actually use three apps side by side, but not in three vertical configuration. You have one floating window and two in split view. Now, if you want to open another app in floating window and bring out this one, it launches in floating window, but you will notice that the first one will minimize to the side of the display, and you can switch between these two apps very quickly by swiping on this icon. Now what happens if I swipe up to move them all away? The split view apps will go back to their app icon and the floating window will minimize to this floating screen here. Now if you want to open more than two floating windows, the easiest way is bring up an app and then swipe up. And now you will see two options: split view, you can enter into split view like this, or you can enter floating window. Now we have three apps in floating window, but you can only use one at a time. So if I'll tap on any one of these, you will see the other one will just minimize. And there are some crucial settings that you can go through. I've talked about these settings in detail in my other videos, but I'll just cover them again. If you go in settings and then go in accessibility and convenience, here you can set up your split view settings. Go in here, you can turn on swipe down with 2 fingers to split the screen, and then you can also turn on split view notice. So this is when, if you are switching between two apps consistently, the system will give you notice to open them in a split view. Then there are some floating window settings here, so you can go in here, you can customize window control with gestures or with buttons. There's a tutorial that you can go through: swapping apps, adjustable transparency, redirect a floating window, and share via floating window. So you can go through all of these different settings and go through these tips at the top. Now, compared to a OnePlus tablet, in this case OnePlus Pad Go 2 running on OxygenOS 16, a Samsung tablet, in this case Galaxy Tab S10 FE running One UI 8, operates on a completely different level. On a Samsung tablet with One UI 8, you can actually open three apps side by side in multi-window or multi-view. So you can have one app open, then you can tap on this bar at the top and open it in split view, and from here you can select your second app. Then you can bring up the taskbar and you can open a third app in multi-view as well. So now you have 3 fully functioning apps open in this vertical view. And that's not it. You can also change how they look. And then that's not it as well. You can rotate these apps to your liking, however it works for you. So that is great as well. You can also go back to the vertical view. So that's multi-window where Samsung is superior, but it is also superior in floating windows. So you can tap on these bars at the top and tap on this button here and open these apps in floating windows as well. And you will notice that I have 3 apps open here side by side, where you could only open one floating window on the OnePlus tablet. And I can also open more. So if I want to open backdrops, I can open backdrops in floating window as well. So you can keep going and use all of these apps in floating window and just swipe up and they all minimize into this floating icon. Tap on it, they all come back, and then I can just tap on this button and they will all open up again. I can also open floating windows on top of these 3 vertical apps running side by side, and I can open more than one in that view. So I can come in here and tap on this button here, tap on this bar and go in multi-view, and now I have essentially 5 apps open at the same time, 3 in the split view and then 2 floating windows. I can also open more if I want. So it's crazy. And if I swipe up, I get this icon, which is the 3 apps running side by side in split view, and the floating windows have minimized into this icon, which I can open by just tapping on this icon. But that is also not enough. Then there is also DeX mode. So if you swipe up to go into your recents menu, you can tap on this button here, and now we are in DeX mode. And here, if I open any app, it will open in window mode, and I can open multiple apps here. And they will all open in window mode just like on a desktop. I can resize them, move them around, swipe up to minimize them, and well, that's not enough as well. If you swipe up again to go into your recents menu, you will see that it says desktop 1. So I have desktop 1 with all of these apps running. I can open a second desktop and run a second set of apps here. And then I can open a third desktop running third set of apps here. And well, that's the limit. The fourth desktop, I can also open that running different set of apps. And if I swipe up to go into recents, I will see all of these 4 desktops running all of the different apps. And this is the normal tablet mode. If I come back here, we are back in the tablet mode. So that is a Samsung tablet running One UI 8 for you as compared to OnePlus Pad Go 2 running Oxygen OS 16. And this was the multi-window / multitasking comparison between these 2 tablets. Let me know about your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.